In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in Base44. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open your project, all the way to telling Base44 exactly what you want to use the image for. By the end, you'll be comfortable adding images inside the chat area of your project, and you'll know what each step is doing and why it matters. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and you already have a project set up. Start by opening the project where you want to add the image. From your dashboard, click into that project so you can see the editor or preview screen. This is the main workspace where you'll be interacting with the chat interface. Once your project is open, look for the chat section on the screen. This is usually where you test interactions, ask questions, or give instructions to the app. Inside or near that chat area, you should see a small plus sign icon. This plus button is what you'll use to add extra content, like images, rather than just typing plain text. Go ahead and click on the plus sign on the chat. When you do this, Base44 will open a small menu or options panel. Here, you'll be able to choose what kind of content you want to insert. In this case, you're focused on adding an image. From the options that appear, select the one related to images. Depending on how your interface is labeled, it might say something like image, or show an image icon. The key is to choose the option that tells Base44 you're about to provide or configure an image instead of sending a regular text message. After you've selected the image option, Base44 will prompt you to type in what you would like this image for. This step is important because you're giving context. Think of it as describing the purpose of the image so the system and anyone else working on the project understands how it should be used. In the text field that appears, type a clear specific description. For example, you might say that this image is for a product preview, a hero banner, a tutorial screenshot, or a visual reference in a conversation. The more precise you are, the easier it will be to manage and reuse your images later. Once you've typed in what you would like the image for, you're done with the basic setup. You've opened your project, used the plus sign in the chat,